Alright YouTube, we are going to fix a flat in my tire. I got a flat tire. I'm going to show you guys how to fix a flat in your flat tire, okay? Let's get into the video. Okay, and this is my flat tire. Alright, the first thing you want to do is shake your can, right, for a minute. Alright, the second thing we're going to do, take the cap off. Alright, when you take the cap off, you want to take this hose, this part of the hose, and hit it in the tire. So we are going to take the cap off. Then we're gonna take this, screw it back, screw it on here, screw it on there like we're putting the cap on. As the cap's on, there's a button right here. You're gonna hit that button, watch it flow. Into the tire. Give it a couple of minutes and it will fill up the tire. This is when you finish it with the tire.